Welcome to the Unschooling Mom2Mom podcast. I'm your host, Sue Patterson, and I want to help you feel more comfortable with the concept of unschooling. My own three kids are in their 30s now, and I've seen what works and what doesn't work. I want to share all that with you. So I'm recording now in June. Even though we're just moving into summer, a lot of parents are starting to think about fall. They don't want a repeat of what just happened. Maybe some of you are wondering whether to continue homeschooling or even consider unschooling. Some of you have already started, but you're questioning everything. Maybe even laying awake at night, wondering if you're making a terrible mistake. Or maybe you have a list of questions following you around everywhere you go. What about math? What about socialization? What if my teen isn't motivated? How will they get into college? Do I have the right temperament for this? And instead of letting those questions hang over your head all summer long, let's talk about them. Let's sort through what's really happening in your family so that you can spend less time worrying about fall and more time enjoying the summer that's right in front of you. And that's actually why I want to talk about coaching today. Not because I think everyone needs a coach, but because after nearly 30 years in this unschooling community, I've noticed something. Most parents don't come to me because they need more information. They come to me because they're overwhelmed by all the information. They've listened to the podcast, they've read the books, they've gotten the PDFs, they've joined the Facebook groups, they've watched YouTube videos, and somehow they feel more confused than when they started. So I want to share some scenarios that might sound familiar. One mom came because her teen seemed interested in nothing but gaming. Maybe you can relate. Maybe yours isn't even a teen yet. She was terrified. Every day felt like evidence that she was failing. What if he never catches up? What if he never finds his passion? What if I'm letting him waste his life? But by the end of our conversation, nothing about her son had changed, but everything about how she saw him changed. She could finally separate fear from reality, and she left with a workable plan and a whole lot less anxiety. Another mom described herself as having that kid who just didn't seem to fit with what everyone else said homeschooling was supposed to look like. They challenged every plan, and she was constantly questioning and second-guessing herself. She worried about anxiety and criticism, and she really wasn't sure she could keep going like this. She later told me that coaching helped her see possibilities that she couldn't see when she was stuck in fear. And then there are the parents who are simply trying to figure out whether unschooling might work for their family. One mom wrote saying she arrived overwhelmed and confused and carrying lots of questions. But she left feeling informed and reassured and confident. Not because I convinced her of anything, because she finally had space to talk through her concerns with somebody who'd been there before, who didn't have an agenda, who wasn't trying to get her back in line. One of my coaching clients sent me something that has always stuck with me. She wrote, "Sue listens. She roots out the triggers, provides objective views, and offers solutions that you wouldn't see because you're often mired in emotion." And I think that's what my coaching is all about. When we're scared, it's hard to see clearly. If we're overwhelmed, every problem feels bigger than it is. And then add in the isolation, and we can start believing our fears are facts. Sometimes what we need isn't another article. We need a conversation. We need someone who can help us sort through the noise and help us distinguish between what's happening and what we're afraid might happen. And I'm here to remind you that there are no educational emergencies, and learning doesn't have to look like school to be real. So if you're feeling uncertain about fall, this might be a good time to talk. You don't have to be completely committed to unschooling. You don't have to have everything all figured out. You don't even have to know what questions to ask. You just need a willingness to explore what might work better for your family. So if you'd like some help sorting through your questions before that crazy back to school season arrives, I would love to talk with you, because you don't have to do this alone. Sometimes a single conversation can change everything. You don't have to spend the next 3 months worrying about September. If there are questions looming overhead, let's talk about them now. Let's sort through the fears, the what ifs, the uncertainty, so that you can enjoy your summer knowing you have a plan, or at least a clearer path forward. I'll leave links in the show notes, because for the month of June, My one-on-one coaching calls are 50% off. So if you'd like help sorting through the questions before fall arrives, I would love to talk with you. Happy unschooling. Enjoy the kids. And I'll be back again soon.